I bet it helps on the hot days.
It does, but I don't have it on when we're racing. Just when we're transiting, because you know we're on public roads, usually. That's what rally is.
Usually you go from regular asphalt to off-road in the same race, right?
Well, sometimes. Sometimes it's all tarmac, sometimes it's all gravel. It's not technically off-road. I mean, we are on roads. We're usually on forest roads or state roads.
Yeah.
Often, you know, made of gravel. So this is a Subaru, if you didn't know.
Yes.
It's a 95 body shell, but the motor, the transmission, the dashboard, the wiring is from a 2005 2.5 RS. It's not turbocharged, it's just naturally aspirated. We get classed depending on the performance of the car. So usually I'm competing with other cars like this. And so they've broken this section, this thing into 3 sections because there's multiple traffic. So they'll think of it as 3 short stages.
Okay.
And normally we would be running, you know, 1-minute intervals on a real rally. And there'd be, you know, workers checking our times and measuring us and that sort of thing. So what I'm doing here, this is the start of the stage. It's going to be hard to see, but the dust that I see down there and over there kind of means the car just left. So I'm going to wait a little while. So we have 3 sections. There's a loop that comes around down here. It's very wet, as you can see in places.
Yes.
And then see where that dead tree is over there?
Yes.
We're going to be stopping there because there's traffic before we get to the next section. So usually there'll be a man here with a clock, and he count us down 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, go. But if you want to do that, you can do that. So
All right.
whenever you're ready.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1, go.
That's the horn. You found the co-driver's horn. And it's very slippy here, so whoops. It's pretty tricky here, and it's very slippy here. So I'm staying on the outside. And this finish is slippy too, so I'm going to really brake hard here because I don't want to go into the trees. So that was the end of the first piece. So I'm going to wait back here. So this is the start, and that's the finish where he just came out. So this guy is sort of being sort of marshal here.
Now, do you primarily race on the eastern coast?
Yeah, most of our races, like this year we've done South Carolina, Pennsylvania, we're doing one in West Virginia. And a big mud puddle, and I understeer there. And a right turn here. And again. Whoa! I hit the cone. And understeer again, because it tightens there. This is pretty tricky. And that's the end of stage 2. Normally they're a lot longer than this. Anywhere from 3 miles to 30 miles. And the co-driver would be reading me detailed instructions about what it is I'm driving. Now I'm trying to do it by memory.
Okay.
So, what do you usually drive?
Turbo Passat. And I have a 240 SX that
Nice.
a deer hit on Monday.
Okay, now we're back. It's not the stage, but this is a one-way section. So I can have a little bit of fun in. It's interesting trying to get it to turn when it's so slippy.
Yeah.
And two-way traffic again, so I have to really back off. So now we're going to do a third section, which is just here.
So your car has to be set up for a lot of different environments, from, you know, hard packed gravel,
Yeah.
asphalt, mud.
Yeah. Kind of cheated there. Now this one is really nasty, so I'm going to go all the way out here. It's going to get really worse all day long until it dries out. And this one too. Ew. Shit. It's like driving in soup.
Yeah.
Woo. That was it.
Very cool. Always wanted to watch one of these rally races, but they're kind of hard to spectate.
Yeah, there's a few that actually have spectator areas. There's actually one in a couple of weeks' time up in West Virginia. So
Okay. Cool.
at Snowshoe, you should look out for that. It's called Rally West Virginia.
All right.
Well, I hope you enjoyed that.
Thank you very much.
You're welcome.
Great fun.
Did you have fun?
Yeah.
Good.
Make sure I got everything. Okay.